In this video, I'll show you how to enable disappearing messages in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Once WhatsApp opens, this is the screen you'll usually see. If you're on a different screen, you'll simply tap the Chats tab to open your chat list. Open any personal chat where you'd like to enable disappearing messages. Once you're inside the chat, tap the person's name at the top of the screen. This will open the contact information page. On this screen, tap Disappearing Messages. By default, this setting is usually turned off. When you open the Disappearing Messages screen, you'll see a few timer options. You can choose 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Simply select the time period you want. After you choose a timer, disappearing messages will be enabled for that chat. From now on, any new messages sent in this conversation will automatically disappear after the selected amount of time. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.